Here I have ZTE Blade V50, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you'll need this kind of tool, which will help you to eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which is located here. So you just put this tool inside the hole, slightly press it, and the slot will pop out. So here you should insert SD card, and here you should insert SIM card. And then put it back into your device, just like this. And as you can see, notification says SD card for transferring photos and media, which proves that SD card is detected, and to show you that SIM card is also detected, let's go to like mobile network, SIM cards, and here you can see this Virgin Mobile is now enabled. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.